Hey everyone, welcome back to Windows Fixer. Today we're fixing that frustrating Windows 11 message, this app can't run on your PC. Yeah, it's still a thing, especially in 2025, and if you're trying to launch a downloaded game or something old like Black Ops 1, there's a good chance this message is going to ruin your day. Alright, so first, let's get something out of the way. This error doesn't always mean your system is broken. In fact, 9 times out of 10, it's Windows just blocking the file quietly. It could be because the EXE is unsigned, too old, 32-bit on a strict 64-bit system, or maybe downloaded from a third-party site that Windows just doesn't trust anymore. And yeah, even if it worked fine on Windows 10, that doesn't mean it'll work on Windows 11 24H2. Let's take Call of Duty Black Ops 1 as an example. A lot of people still love that game, and I've seen tons of comments saying, I downloaded Bo 1 from Google, tried everything, but this app can't run. Here's the problem. That game came out during the 32-bit era. Back then, most systems ran x86 builds. Today, Windows 11 doesn't trust those old launchers unless everything checks out perfectly. File integrity, security, dependencies, all of it. All right. Let's fix it. Search for Windows Security. Go to App and Browser Control. Click on Reputation-Based Protection Settings. Now, just toggle off Check Apps and Files. This lets you run files that Windows would normally block just for being from an unknown source. Next, search for developer settings, turn on developer mode. This gives you permission to run apps that weren't downloaded from the Microsoft Store, like old game setups or modded launchers. Now don't skip this. After changing security settings, you need to restart your PC. Without rebooting, the new permissions won't fully apply. Here's a warning if you play online games like Valorant or CS2. Do not force Run as Administrator or Windows 7 compatibility mode on those games. Anti-cheat systems like Riot Vanguard will detect that as a security risk, and you'll start getting errors like file missing from directory or launch blocked. Now, yes, most people know the difference between x86 and x64 by now, but here's the catch. Some folks are still running 32-bit Windows in 2025, or downloading 32-bit versions of games that just don't work right anymore. To check your system type, hit Windows plus R, type msinfo32, and look for system type. If it says x64-based PC, you're good. If it says x86-based, your upgrade path is limited, and that might be why your game won't launch, no matter what you try. Now, let's talk about Valorant real quick. Some users said turning off security settings helped, but others still couldn't launch the game until they reinstalled it. That's because Riot Vanguard installs its own drivers. If those get blocked or corrupted, only a clean reinstall will fix it. So if none of the settings help, try uninstalling both Valorant and Riot Vanguard, then reinstall from scratch. All right, quick recap. If you see this app can't run on your PC, turn off reputation protection, enable developer mode, reboot your PC, don't mess with compatibility settings on anti-cheat games, and check if your app or game is just too old for 2025 security standards. Hope this helped you out. And if you're still stuck, drop your error in the comments and I'll get back to you. This is Windows Fixer, and I'll see you in the next one.